Alam mo, kapag hindi ka naman pinili, you have to accept that. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras ay you have to please other people. There are times na it's not meant for you. Kung hindi ka naman niya pinili, okay lang yan. Deal with it. I-prove mo na lang sa sarili mo na you are worth it. And better, tandaan na hindi dahil na hindi ka niya pinili, ibig sabihin ay hindi ka na worth it. At hindi dahil hindi ka niya pinili, ibig sabihin ay hindi mo deserve yun. Siguro, talagang hindi mo siya deserve. Kasi there may be someone who deserve you. English yun At mas okay pa sa taong yon kaysa sa kanya. Kaya take this as an opportunity to be better, na mas lalo pa natin galingan and be the best version of yourself every now and then. So, alam kong deserve mo na mahalin, kaya may darating at darating sa'yo.